Alright, so these are the marketplace elevators here at the IKEA store, Brooklyn, New York. Door close does not work in this elevator. Phone button's a down button. Schindler. Why the hell is that alarm button flashing? Let's try to get the other one. Send this one up. Alright. It's right here waiting for me. Alright, go pursue. Yeah, these are very bizarre Schindlers. I've never actually seen an elevator in IKEA that actually has a brand label on it. Well, I mean, apart from IKEA in Conshohocken, of course. I've never seen that before. All right. Green lantern for up. And that's it.